In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize your hotel website using Wix. First, visit wix.com and log into your account. If you're not signed up yet, simply click on sign up to create an account. Once logged in, head over to your dashboard. Here, you'll see an option that says create new site. Click on that to get started on building your site from scratch. After you've decided to create a new site, the next step is to select your industry. For our purpose, go to travel and accommodation and choose hotels and B&Bs. What's great about Wix is that it provides you with specialized templates tailored for hotel bookings. These templates are designed to include features like reservation systems, which are essential for any hotel business. Once you've selected your industry, click on Continue to proceed. Now it's time to design your site. Click on Design Site, which will lead you to a section where you can pick from a wide range of templates. For our focus today, choose a hotel booking template. Browse through the available designs in the Wix Hotels templates library, which offer modern and mobile-friendly options. Pick a template that goes well with your brand, whether it's luxurious, boutique, or resort style. After deciding on a template, click Edit to start customizing it according to your business's needs. Next up, let's install the Wix Hotels app, which is crucial for the core booking system of your website. In the editor, find apps, then go to the Wix app market. Here, search for Wix Hotels and go ahead and install it. This app is important as it allows you to manage room listings with descriptions and images, keeps an availability calendar, provides an online booking system, and secures payments, all within one hub. Having installed the app, head over to the Wix Hotels dashboard to add your rooms and rates. Go into the Rooms section and add each room type. Remember to upload high-quality photos and include detailed descriptions like room size, amenities, and views. Also, set your pricing, taking into account nightly, seasonal, and weekend rates, and define availability by marking blackout dates or setting minimum stays. Following that, ensure your payment methods are set up. Under Settings, click Accept Payments. Choose from payment providers like Wix Payments, PayPal, or manual options such as cash or bank transfers. Enabling multi-currency options will also be beneficial if you cater to international guests. With everything set, move on to customizing your website further. Your homepage should have compelling hero images and a prominent Book Now button. The Rooms page should list all offerings with a check availability option. Make sure your booking page is linked directly to Wix Hotels. Add an About page detailing your story and a contact page with a form, phone number, map, and possibly a live chat plugin like Wix Chat for instant support. Don't forget to optimize your site for mobile using the mobile editor, ensuring the design looks clean and that important buttons like Book Now are always accessible. Implement basic SEO by adding meta titles, descriptions, and targeted keywords. Connect to Google Business for better map visibility and set up email marketing automations for confirmations, reminders, or offering additional services. Once you've made all these customizations, it's time to preview your site. Check that everything looks good both on desktop and mobile. Finally, click Publish to make your website live. After publishing, thoroughly test the booking process by making a sample booking to ensure everything from room selection to payment works smoothly. And there you have it. Your hotel website is ready to welcome guests.